Hi mga kachupos!
Hello mga Chupus, at ngayon ay day 1 ng Wedding Expo at kasama natin si Ma'am Jersey.
Hello po, good afternoon.
Ma'am Jersey, regarding pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung representative or ano pala yung booth nyo, ma'am?
We are from Hotel Kimberly Inc. So we have two properties, one in Tagaytay and one in Manila. So we are representing the both companies for this bridal fair.
And Ma'am Jersey, regarding po pala muna sa Manila, kasi nasa Manila po tayo, saan pala located to, ma'am?
Our Manila property is located at Pedro Hill Street in Malate, Manila. Malapit lang kami sa May Robinsons, Manila. And then yung Tagaytay naman natin is located in formerly Amadeo Road. Malapit kami doon sa Bagong Bypass Road in Kay Bagal North, Tagaytay City.
And ma'am, regarding pala sa event na to, is ano pala yung ina-highlight or sino-showcase nyo, ma'am?
Hina-highlight talaga namin for the bridal fair is yung aming Tagaytay property since yun talaga yung pang-weddings, and then ino-offer na din namin yung property namin in Manila. So in Tagaytay kasi since this is the wedding destination talaga in the Philippines sa Tagaytay, so yun yung mas ina-highlight namin for the bridal fair. So mas marami din kaming packages, mas malaki kasi yung property din namin sa Tagaytay. Although meron din kami sa Manila, so we also offer wedding packages and other packages naman din in Manila.
And Ma'am Jersey, regarding po pala sa ating mga future na husband and wife, para may idea lang sila, is magkano pala matitipid nila kapag dito po sa event na to, ma'am?
So if you will be booking us here on Teams and Motives Bridal Fair, so we offer different types of promos. So we also offer 10,000 discount. We have free LED wall upgrade, additional room accommodation. So it varies depending on the wedding packages you will be choosing. So ang in-offer namin, lowest is 188,000 for 50 persons, and our lowest package for 100,000 is 268,000.
And ma'am, ano pala yung inclusion nun, ma'am, sa pinaka-basic po?
Yung sa pinaka-basic package already includes na siya yung venue. So hotel venue siya, accommodation, catering, food, so kasama na siya, styling, license house, and cake. So yun yung pinaka-basic inclusions ng lahat ng aming package. So semi all-in package yung ina-offer namin.
And just in case pala, ma'am, syempre yung iba ayaw naman ng puro wedding lang kasi yung iba magde-debut or mayroong company na ma'am, is pwede rin po ba sila, ma'am?
Yes, we also offer a different package for other celebrations like debut, birthdays, company anniversaries, parties, as well as mga Christmas parties. So we also cater. Then we also cater different corporate and government events, mga functions like seminars, team buildings, training. So we also offer those packages.
And Ma'am Jersey, ano pala yung minimum or pinaka-maximum na capacity po ng nyo, ma'am?
So for Tagaytay, our minimum for social events at least 50 po, or at kahit 30, nagkikater din kami ng mga 30 persons for our social packages up until 250 packs po. Then sa government naman and corporate events, so depending on their requirement, at minimum 10 packs we can accommodate po up to 250 maximum. Then for Manila naman, we can accommodate maximum 110 packs din sa pinaka-largest venue ng Manila property.
And syempre, ma'am, pag sa event po is ano po pala yung pagbayad po nila? Ano po yung ilang percentage or paano po ba, ma'am?
We require sa weddings and sa celebration, so we require 30,000 to reserve the date, and then halfway po is 50%, then 1 month before the event po yung full payment natin. So we accept different mode of payment, so pwedeng bank transfer, online, or bank deposit, GCash, and credit card payments with no additional charge.
And syempre, Ma'am Jersey, last day na tomorrow, ma'am. May mga upcoming events po ba kayong naka-line up po, ma'am?
Yes, so we are still participating in some of the bridal fair. So yung upcoming namin sa September na. So we also have Teams and Motives on September. Then we also have Kasalang Tagaytay on September as well.
Ma'am, para naman po sa mga social media, para sa other inquiries, paano po nila kayo marireach out?
You can reach us out on our official Facebook page, Hotel Kimberly Tagaytay, and then Hotel Kimberly Manila. But you can also message us direct through our Viber number, 0917-5945-135.
Once again, thank you, Ma'am Jersey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello mga ka-Chuples, kumusta kayong lahat? Ito po si Ronnie Liang.
Hello mga kachupos!
Hello sa inyo mga kachupos.
Kain! Dito po kami sa